So this is how to register a USA Sweat app account. This is what the USA Sweat app account looks like. This is what it has. This is the difference between Nigerian or other African Sweat app and the USA Sweat app. This USA Sweat app has this Marvel zombies on it. This thing here, I seen this. This is the difference. So if you have this, then you have the USA Sweat app, and you have the advantage to benefit more sweat coins and more USD rewards than every other person. You know, these people, they are using us to cash out. They are using Africans to cash out. Africans and other Asians to cash out. People in the US, UK, they are enjoying this thing more. In fact, US, they have more benefits on this app. They have more benefits on this app, right? Uninstall the old app first before you think of doing anything about the USA account, because if you don't, they are going to track your account. If you just log out and log into the USA account, your device IP will be captured. So what you need to do is uninstall the old app first, then you join this one. So this is how to register. First of all, you need to go to Play Store. Go to Play Store to change your Play Store email first. That's the first thing you need to do. So this is how to change your Play Store email to the email you want to use for your sweatcoin, right? This is the email I'm using right now. So I'm just gonna click on it. That's where your profile is. Click on it, and you click the drop down button. If this is not the email you want to use, click this drop down button and select the email you want to use, right? Select the email you want to use, and after selecting, the first letter of the email will be showing here as your profile email. After changing your Play Store email, now go to the VPN called Windscribe. You search for it, Windscribe. I already have it. Let me type Windscribe VPN, right? You click on the first one and you see it here. This is it. This is what it looks like. Click on install. Because I already have it, it's asking me to update it, right? Let me go and open the VPN and show you guys how to turn it on. So this is the VPN called Windscribe, right? So this is automatically showing this, but where do you find it? Where do you find it? You scroll, right? Scroll. It is among the top 3, right? So just click here, US Central, and you'll find the Atlanta Peachtree here. I figured that this will be free because anything that is free here has this thing here. So I just click on it. When you click on it, it's going to load and it's going to turn on automatically, right? As you can see. Then when you want to turn it off, you click here too to turn it off. This is like the power button. You turn it on or you turn it off. Make sure it's always on anytime you want to open this Sweat app. Otherwise, they're going to track your location, your IP address. This VPN is meant to show that you are in the US and not in Nigeria. Because if they find out that you're in Nigeria, your account will be flagged and you cannot have access to it again forever. So now that you have changed your Play Store email and also you have turned on your Windscribe VPN, the next thing you have to do is what? You click on the link. Click on this link. It will take you to a browser. And then you click on accept invite. This invite gives you a certain amount of sweat coins that is withdrawable. You will need to accumulate more sweat coins and add to that one and withdraw it for free. Just click on accept invite. It will take you to Play Store or App Store depending on the phone you're using, right? If you're using an Android, it will take you to Play Store. If you're using iOS, it will take you to App Store, right? But because I already have the account, it took me to my app. So you need to go to the App Store or Play Store where it redirected you to install the app. When you install the app, you register with Google, make sure the same email you used to install this app on Play Store is the same one you're using to register on this app. After registering, this is what your dashboard will look like. Dashboard will look like this, and you have this. If you do not have this, just know that you did not do it right, right? You did not do it right, and you do not have the USA Sweat app. So there are other things you need to do on this app, but this video only covers the registration process because I don't want this video to be very long.